If you're thinking about buying SM online merch, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. This platform offers some unique features, but there are also some downsides when compared to its competitors. Stick around as we break down the top 7 things you need to consider before purchasing. First off, SM Online Merch is known for its user-friendly interface. It's designed with both beginners and experienced sellers in mind. Whether you're just getting into the e-commerce game or you're a seasoned pro, the platform provides a streamlined process for managing your store, products, and sales. This simplicity sets it apart from competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce, which can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers. However, it's important to note that while the platform is easy to use, it might not have all the customization options that other platforms offer. So, if you're looking for full creative control over your store's design, you might want to look at other options. Next thing to consider is the pricing. SM Online Merch offers competitive rates, but it can get pricey depending on the plan you choose. While it's affordable for small businesses or entrepreneurs just starting, it might not be the best option for larger companies looking for more robust features. It's essential to weigh the cost against the value you're getting, especially when platforms like Etsy or WooCommerce are free to start with, though they might require additional fees for added features. The third thing to know is the level of customer support SM Online Merch provides. Their customer service is responsive, but not as fast as some of its competitors. If you're someone who values quick 24/7 support, you might find platforms like Shopify a little more reassuring, as they offer more immediate solutions. SM Online Merch does provide live chat and email support, but during peak times, you might face longer wait times. Now, the fourth thing is product and inventory management. This is one area where SM Online Merch shines. The platform allows you to easily manage products, track stock, and set up automated restocks, which is crucial for maintaining a smooth business operation. Some competitors fall short in this area, leaving you to manually handle inventory, which can lead to errors or missed sales. Next, we need to talk about marketing tools.